All right, I just started the broadcast.
Awesome.
Okay.
I'm just trying to open everything up. So
I know. I've got both of the probability applets. And
well, we know with my really slow computer that just don't know.
I'm going to get comfortable because I'm not comfortable yet. Yeah, I didn't feel prepared for the first test. I definitely don't feel prepared for another test.
Yeah, I don't want to.
And I absolutely hope that we can have more than one paper for a cheat sheet.
Mm-hmm.
I wish we could take the exam together.
Right?
Seriously. Oh my gosh. I don't think statistics should be an individual sport.
Nope. Why did this one not open? Okay. Okay, I think I have everything opened now, so. Until I don't. Actually, oh no, just kidding. We're going to need those other ones. Links to the other things. Like the
quantitative inference one.
yeah. Gotta go. And then I know we needed the other one too, right? The from or I don't know if we still need that.
Do we have we're probably gonna have to make like charts or something, aren't we?
Probably. I haven't looked at the quiz, so I don't know.
Although usually on these they don't make us do charts because you can't turn them in. But if we need to make charts, then we need the quantitative descriptive one.
Them both up just in case, because my computer's slow and I don't want to have to wait till later. I wish we had better internet here.
So are you actually on campus?
Yeah. Well, I live in off campus.
Sorry, I guess I meant, are you an on-campus student?
Yeah. Although I did think about just taking all online classes this semester and staying in Utah and working, but I didn't.
So you're from Utah?
I'm from New York, actually, but for the summer I was in Utah working. So
I'm ready to get out of Texas.
You're in Texas?
I am. Where are you at?
I'm in Houston.
Okay, I'm in Fort Worth.
are you guys Dallas fans?
I'm sorry, it blocked out.
I said I'm in Fort Worth. So how close were you to all the hurricane?
Can you guys hear me?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, can you not hear us?
I can't hear you.
None of us? Gotta love technology.
Yeah, it's weird that she can hear it or can't hear us, but we can hear her.
Yeah.
There we go.
Can you hear us now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
That
Oh,
was
now
weird
there's a
if
really
you were,
bad.
like right there, and then you weren't.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like opened it on another link and I joined it again. I don't know.
That was weird. Alrighty.
You guys ready?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Number 3. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply. A simple random sample was drawn from each population. Yes. X bar is normally distributed for each group. Yes. Mu does not have to be greater than 0. And the sample size does not have to be the same for each group. Right?
That's correct. Yeah, I believe so. It's the first two.
Yep.
Number 4. Statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a z-score, t-score, F statistic.
T-score.
It's a t-score, yeah.
I like these questions so far.
I know.
Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects will be in group 2, or knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2.
Yeah, the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For the next 6 questions, use the data file dentist office bills. This data represents a simple random sample of dental bills at a dentist office in Idaho Falls and a dentist office in Rexburg. Let mu1 be the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office and mu2 the mean bill at the Rexburg office. I'm going to write that down real quick. Because then I'm going to scroll up and then I won't have it anymore. Okay. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office is less than the mean bill at the Rexburg office, which means we have the null hypothesis. They note that as the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis is mu1 equals mu2, and the alternative hypothesis mu1 is less than mu2. Okay, sorry, I'm writing as I go. Use the level of significance of 0.10. What is the degrees of freedom? So I'm just going to put all this in. Okay. 37.996.
What did you get?
37.996.
Oh, so
We're using the 2 sample t-test, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
I got something different.
What did you get?
I got 36.719.
So which one did you put in column A?
I put, I think the Idaho Falls one. I just copied it as is.
Yeah, that's what I did too. Did you put the confidence level as 90 and the type of test as less than?
Yeah.
I wonder if I would get something different.
Yeah, that's weird. I'll try it one more time. Let's see.
Okay, but I'm taking a quiz. Doesn't make sense. Which one?
Oops.
I have no idea.
Okay, so I re-put it in and I got 37.996. I'm not sure what happened the first time, but
Okay.
I just went back and fixed it off. So 37.996.
That works. Okay, and we're supposed to find the sample standard deviation for Rexburg, and Rexburg is the second one, variable 2. So that would be the 26637.
That's what I got.
Maybe I will help you when I'm done with mine.
206,637.
Sorry guys, I'm making dinner.
Okay, so are we on question 8?
Yeah. What is the test statistic? I got negative 0.434.
Yeah, that's what I have.
That's what I have as well.
And then the p-value would be 0.333.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I told you I will help you.
I'm guessing on all of them.
Just don't guess. Move forward to the left. Oh my gosh. Go ask Aaron to help you. Okay, it's not due. Oh, it is due tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so we were doing this on a 0.10 level of significance.
Yeah.
And our p-value is 0.333, so it's high.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's high, then we keep the guy. Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think I remember it was if HOA is low, let it go.
Yep. So if P is high, keep the guy. So we fail to reject the null.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that you told us that because like that's
I
how I
know.
remember
I
it.
was so excited. When we watched it, I was like, "Oh, something I could remember." Okay, so now we're going to make it not equal to. But that just makes it even higher.
What is the correct decision based on this evidence?
So we have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bill between the two cities are different. Is
Yeah.
that right?
I always get confused on these two.
Yeah. So what's your like?
We're rejecting the null, and if we reject the null, then we have sufficient evidence.
Okay.
Oh, I was wrong. We have sufficient evidence that the mean dentist bill is different.
I was like that wasn't right, but like I said, I get confused, and so I didn't want to question you because you're smarter. So.
Oh my gosh, you guys always question me. Never, ever, ever, ever give me confidence like that.
Oh no! I always get those ones wrong. I
Mm-hmm.
struggle with them. So
Yeah, I have it written down, and that's the only way. I have to go back and find it. Okay. Now we get to go and empty out everything we've done and do it all again.
Yep.
we're using the freshman dinner.
Yeah.
Is your Colorado shorter than your Utah one?
Yes.
Okay. That just looks really. Oh, I don't like this question. Oh, dang it. Hold on, I put those in the wrong spot.
So we need it to be not equal to, and then 95.
Mhm. Oh, hey guys, for question 11,
Yes.
that first one is what I had guessed and I got it wrong.
Oh, okay. Suppose instead that you had the thing. Okay, so we had, it was 0.666, and that was bigger than our 0.1. So we rejected the null. No, we didn't reject the null. We failed to reject it because it was high, so we kept it. So we failed to reject.
So, sorry, for which question?
I was right the first time. I got it confused. Okay, it has insufficient evidence. It is the second one.
It's for question 11.
Okay, sorry.
It's the second one. We have insufficient evidence because P was high, so we kept the guy. We didn't reject the HO. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And our alternative hypothesis is that they're not, or that they are different, right? So that's the right one, is the second one.
Uh-huh.
Okay. He doesn't get those. They're for church. Can you guys go out, please?
So for this next one, it's asking for the alternative hypothesis. So that would be the second one, which is not equal to, right?
That's what I was thinking, yes. Because it says if they have a different number of times. So yeah. And then the next one would be 0.845.
I have negative 0.
Yeah, so do I.
Okay. How did I do this? Did I put
So
them opposite of you guys?
I think the Colorado goes in the first section and then Utah goes in the second section.
Yeah.
Because it says let U1 equal Colorado.
Yes, you're right. And I did it backwards. Okay.
I did it backwards too, and so I saw that, so I went and fixed it. That's why I didn't know what question you guys were reviewing.
Okay. Give me just a second and I'll fix it. That's funny because I even wrote it down and was like trying to be all particular, and then I didn't. Maybe if my little kids would stop coming in here. I'm sorry. I know. I am too, and it's so frustrating. Okay, now here's the negative. Okay. So what is the p-value?
I got 0.411.
Yep.
That's what I got as well. So p-value.
So that is high. So we keep the guy. We fail to
Yeah.
reject the null hypothesis.
The p-value is lower. Or
Well,
am I
ours is 0.05, right?
huh?
Mm-hmm.
Our
0.05. Sorry. No, yep. Yeah, okay. This is higher. I was thinking 0.5, not 0.05. Sorry, my bad.
no, the last one confused me because it was 0.1.
Yeah, I mean, she doesn't normally give us those ones.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna make us do a margin of error. I can't figure it out. Except for they gave us a new formula for this one on the video, and it's big. Okay, determine a 95% confidence interval for p minus or mu minus 1 or mu 1, whatever, minus mu 2. An estimate for the difference between mu 1 and mu 2, and put your answer below. Determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval. So the confidence interval, or I'm sorry, the margin of error thing that he gave on the video said t times the square root of, and then all of this is under the square root, s1 squared over n1 plus s2 squared over n2. But that's not what the ones from the last time were. That's just what this one was. I need my phone. Thank you.
Jeremy just gonna die. Jeremy just gonna die.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sick of people. Someone might die right now.
Oh no.
Huh?
I said, oh no.
And I'm about to go tell off that stupid idiot.
There's so many parts of that
Okay,
one.
so,
People to be
oh my gosh, okay. Don't even get me started, but I've already started, so here it is. I had to pull up behind and honk so that they would move. Okay, and then they pull up in one of those, like, the parking spots that go this way, which is right where I wanted to park. They have to park in a different spot, and then they turn around and go back and park in front of that. I'm like, that's not a parking spot. Nor is it a loading zone.
That's barely accessible on moving day.
And I was already on edge because stupid people that drive super slow but stay in the fast lane should be shot. It happened on the way to work and on the way home.
But do you know any margin of error? No, okay.
Okay, ladies, I got 1.114.
I really don't.
You got.
I'm like, I don't get it. I really want to go tell them, dude, park.
Sorry.
Wait in the visitor parking. That's what it's for. Gosh. I had someone pull up. Okay, I was in that our favorite.
I'm sorry, Kelly. I
parking
didn't
spot.
hear what you said.
I got 1.114.
1.114.
Anyway, I'm still waiting for the cleaning person.
Okay. What was the formula you said again?
So it is the T
T.
times, and then everything is under the square root sign. Everything else. So it's
But not far enough for me to back.
S1 squared over N1 plus, oh sorry,
S1 squared
Like, it's really bothering
over
me.
N1
over N1
plus S2 squared
plus S2 squared
over N2.
N2, and all of those over square root. Okay.
I hate people. And I'm like super pissed.
So my question is, after you do the square root of something, do you have to press equals or no?
This is good.
After you try that one more time.
After you press the square root button, do you press equals or no?
I do.
Because I get an answer, and if I press equals, then I get another answer.
So S is the mean, right?
This is the margin of error.
I know, but for the
Oh.
equation, S1.
It'll be colored.
S1 is the standard deviation.
Standard deviation. I don't know. My brain is that's squared over. Okay, let's see. Give me 1 second. I'll see what I can do. Oh, that's okay.
Okay, you don't push it. Good job. Take it and put it in your bag. So I actually got 1.467.
I did that one. What did you get?
I got 1.467.
I got something different, but I could be doing this wrong.
Well, we're going to get it anyway because it's margin of error, and I have no idea how to do it. What are you getting?
Give me 1 second. I erased it.
Okay, so what are you guys inputting? Because I'm completely lost at this one.
So I'm putting negative 0.845 times the square root of 4.517 squared over 10 plus 3.42 squared over 12.
Okay, sorry. I know where I messed up. Let me redo this. Okay. I was like, I told you I could be doing this wrong.
Well, it's just completely complicated, but this is what he said in the video is the formula.
Okay, let me try this one more time.
And I don't understand why it doesn't solve this answer for us, but it solves all the other answers for us.
Right?
Stupid.
I remember. That's what it sounds like. What's to say, like, I've been there. I've passed by the stupid billboard, like, every time. Did you send me email? I haven't. It's not like I've forgotten to do it. Like, and some things I'm worrying about more.
I get negative 1.467.
Okay, so I wondered why mine wasn't negative, but mine didn't come up negative. But I got the same answer otherwise.
Did you remember? I don't mean to sound stupid, but when you did you put negative 0.845?
I did, but I'm gonna try that part one more time because I wondered why mine wouldn't say negative. 2.9 times negative 0.845. Oh no, that's okay. Hold on. Yeah, mine keeps coming up positive.
I just retyped mine and it was negative. Oh,
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna do it. You're in charge of pictures. I just realized
that's weird.
Yeah.
Well, it is.
Square root of times negative 0.845. Oh, but it, you know, it looks like it's let me try it this way. 3 point.
Data board.
Yep, when I type in a different way, I get a negative. It was like it was negating my negative.
What was that?
When I type it in the opposite direction, I get the negative. So it was like it was taking away my negative.
Huh.
Because I thought about that, and I thought that was weird. But it kept coming in positive.
So.
Yep, that comes up negative. Okay.
Well, actually, let me see something.
What's that?
Oh, so I was just kind of talking to myself.
All right. The lower bound, negative 5.147.
Why does it tell us like negative 5.47? No. The computer's going all crazy. Negative. And then the upper is
2.214.
2.214.
But I'm gonna make your first recording. I had like 3.
Okay, so what did you guys put for that one again? Because I never figured it out on my calculator.
Or 16?
Yeah.
Negative 1.467.
Okay.
I believe. Yeah.
then y'all got the negative 5.147, and then the upper bound 2.214.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did we lose Kelly? I think we might have lost Kelly. So.
Yeah.
Oh, we got one wrong. The stupid margin of error.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before you turned it in, I was going, no, 16 is wrong. Because I hadn't turned mine in. I was trying to warn you.
I know. I was like, oh, we got one wrong. I was like, we're sitting here. I was like, I think we lost Kelly's voice.
Darn it. I was like, oh, shoot, I turned mine in already. And then you guys were asking. And then I was like, wait, don't turn it in. 16's wrong.
I know. I scrolled out. I was like, we got one wrong. And I was like, stupid margin of error.
I'm telling you, there is no way that we have something absolutely wrong. I watched those stupid videos specifically to see if he would tell us how to do them. And he gave us the thing, but he didn't show us how to do it. But he gave us the thing, and he gave us how to do the margin of error for each type of different hypothesis test. So I wrote them all down. And I had written this one down because this is how you do it for this type. And I don't know what we're missing. I can't figure out what we're missing.
I know. I'm like, because according to that formula, like, that should have been right.
Yeah. So when you go in and you put feedback, it says the answer in SPSS is slightly lower than in Excel. So the answer given is the average between the two results. Your result should be close to the answer shown. But there's no answer shown. But we got everything else right. But I am so frustrated.
Are just bound and determined to not know how to figure the margin of error for a 95 confidence interval.
Yeah, that's definitely the one we're getting wrong on the test.
Yep.
Or that's the only one we're going to get right because we're going to
Right.
hell bent on getting that one. I'm so frustrated. Oh my gosh.
I know.
I
Where's
honestly-
16? Like, why?
I can't figure it out.
She has to do another one with us. So
Yeah, we've got to try to contact her and see. Anyway, well, we got an A, so.
good.
Yeah.
All right. You guys have a good weekend. We'll see you on Tuesday.
Sounds good. You guys.
Alrighty.
All right.
Bye.